So earlier we built this favorite component, and here we used class binding twice to dynamically render glyph icon -star or glyph icon -star empty classes. While this approach works perfectly fine, there is also another way to deal with multiple classes, and you might find this other approach a little bit cleaner. So instead of using class binding twice here, we can use the ngClass directive. So we bind ngClass to an expression. And here we're going to have an object. And this object, we're going to have one or more key value pairs. Each key represents a CSS class, and the value for that key determines if that class should be rendered or not. So here we're dealing with two classes, so we need two keys. One is glyph icon -star, and the value for this key is selected. So if this evaluates to true, then this class will be rendered in the DOM. Note that I've put the key in quotes, and this is a requirement. Otherwise, this is not going to work. Now let's add the other key. So once again, quotes, glyph icon -star empty, and we set this to not is selected. So with the ngClass directive, we don't have to repeat class binding twice, and we can simply delete these two lines. Now let's look at the result. So here's our icon, click, click, beautiful. So this ngClass is an example of an attribute directive. We use it to modify attributes of an existing DOM element.